This morning, got to put AdBlue in the car, but I can't get the lid off the AdBlue. So now I'm going to go and work out how to sort that out, and we'll come back. So the joy of modern diesel engines is that you have to put AdBlue in them. Allegedly, this clears up all the emissions. The problem with putting AdBlue in them is that you have to be able to open the jug that the AdBlue comes in. And I cannot open this jug. I'm assuming that the AdBlue has sealed it tight somehow with a crust. So we're going to cut it open. Let's go. Well, I think we're going to cut it open. I might just end up putting plastic all over the kitchen. Let's see. The thing is that I don't want to ruin the thread underneath. Now for safety, kids, you should wear goggles when doing stuff like this. But I forgot. Let's see, did that work? No, not yet. No, not yet. And so after a bit of finagling and cutting and twizzling, we're in! And now we can fill up the car with AdBlue, which poses its own problems because of where the AdBlue hole is in the car. Now that we've got the lid off the AdBlue, we have the joy of getting the AdBlue into the car. And Citroën, in their wisdom, didn't put the AdBlue where you put the fuel. They put it in the boot. So we open the boot and we find that the best place to put the AdBlue is under the extra seats in the boot. Voila! Like so. And of course our boot is full of stuff. So here we go. And it's down here. There's where it goes. Down here. Two lids to come off. And there's the hole. And this is the funnel that comes with the bottle of AdBlue. But because, and you can see, these stains are dribbles of AdBlue. And because the tub of AdBlue is so big, the way I have to do this, because of where the flipping thing is I have to force this funnel, oh my goodness, into there, like so. Now if I tried, well actually this is quite a long one. It might just work. But what I normally have to do is take the AdBlue and pour it into a jug, and then pour the jug into the thing. Surely Peugeot Citroën could have come up with a slightly better solution than this. But hey ho, this is what I have to do. Apparently you only have to do it every 17,000 miles, or roughly every time you get your car serviced. But that's not the case. It all depends on how you drive, where you drive, all that kind of thing. So I end up having to do it in between services all the time. This is fun.